following video is a HAAS CL-1 CNC lathe. This unit is new 2019. We're going to run a brief demonstration for you today.
All right, let's go ahead and move the axis around. Turn G. Nice smooth. Go to X. Nice and smooth. All right, we'll go to MBI. We'll go ahead and do a third change. The other way. All right. Now we'll go ahead and do a spindle test. All right. That is 1,000 RPM right now. We'll go ahead and step it up. That's 3,000 RPM. And that is the maximum speed of 6,000 RPM.
6,000 RPM. Again, the following video is a HAAS CL-1 CNC lathe.